Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Today, in this video, you will learn how to customize the drop-down field in WPForms. Before starting, make sure that you have installed and activated the WPForms plugin. If haven't yet, I am sharing my affiliate link in the description. You can get it from there. So to get started, hover on WPForms and click on Add New. Firstly, enter a name to your form here. Now I will use the blank template. You can select the templates as per your requirement. Here, I will simply drag and drop the drop-down field like this. Now, under its settings, you can edit the label name here. Now to add drop-down menu items in bulk, click on this button, add the choices here as per your requirement. You can add choices one by one also by clicking on the plus button here. Give your choice a name. Don't forget to save the changes. Once done, let's visit the form and check the changes we made. So you can see various menu items have been added here under the drop-down field, and this is how it can be customized. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.